So hi guys, welcome to my channel Shanky's Trading, and today we will learn how to trade on my levels because a lot of people have the issue. So I'll just teach you in a simple way. Okay, it's very simple. First, what you have to do for trading my levels. So these are the things you have to just understand how to trade my levels. So first, what you have to do is like just keep the daily CPR. Okay, just keep the daily CPR. Nothing you have to do. Very something. Just mark out this point. So logic basically. See that. This is your point. So 50% is what we do. Okay. So R1, R2 because the market today was at upside. So you can mark that level, right? So Nifty you can just mark that. So you know that whenever in this scenario, so we are taking the 50% off. We are taking just a 50%. Okay, 50% off. One is your this thing. So that is your this thing R1 and that is your R2. So R1. So this is your R1. This is your R1, okay, and this is your R2. Very simple, I'm just teaching you in a very simple, simple manner. So you know that the 50% of that is our target. There's a logic, there's a CPR basics. So R1 and R2, you have to take the 50%. So that is your target. So whenever the candle is starting at this point, it will go and touch that. So that is your target. So if it's just moving from this, up, from the support at the bottom or the resistance which is acting as a support, so the target will be simple, that is 50%. That is what you have to do. So now today what happened? So today, as you can just see that today Nifty in the morning at 5-minute candle, you can see what happened. So how to take a trade on this thing, today, the level which I give you, and the level which I give you on Nifty, that was yesterday. Yesterday I gave you this one. See, yesterday I gave you Nifty 17,500 C, and the time was yesterday exactly at 2 o'clock. So yesterday I gave you the levels. So the level which I'm giving you, nobody can give you. Okay, 1 day period. So now how to trade? So in the morning, you know that the level which I gave you was around 17,500. Obviously it is a deep ITM. So how to trade on level? So when it just came down, see, when it just came down in the morning, it was around this point. The candle came here, and then you know that if it just goes down, it can go and touch at the bottom 50%. It can go at the bottom around this 50%. That is our CPR logic. That is our CPR logic, that it will go and touch that 50%. So it didn't touch that 50% and it took a reversal at that point. Okay, so we are just analyzing on CPR. I'm not putting any indicators and all. Plain CPR logic. So now here I will tell you when how you can take a trade. So this was your trading point in the morning. You can just see that the candles were upside. See over here. The candles were upside, so you can enter the trade at that point. Around 940 was your entry point, or maybe at around 945 or maybe 950, because at that period of time, okay, at that period of time it was above R1. So that was your first entry in the morning to take on my levels. My levels, if you see 17,500, it was in the morning at 930, around 930 or 940. It was around this point. The entry point was around 440 points. This was your entry. This was your entry, first entry. That is around 440. Okay, now exit point. So 440. So the timing was around, you can say 9:50 or 10 o'clock. The entry point was at that point. That was your entry point, around 440 points. And then see, it went up. So it went up. So you should know where is the exit point. So here the exit point, as in you can just see that the 50% of the CPR. That means this line was your exit point. So 50% of CPR was the exit point. So that means your exit point was around 10 o'clock. So the 10 o'clock at this point was your exit point, around 10:05. Now we'll see at here what is it went, where it went. So around 10:05 you can see it went to this point. Around 10 o'clock, time was at this point. So 10 o'clock, this was your exit point, that is around 476. So your entry was at this point at the bottom, that is 441, the first trader, 441, and your exit point was this, that's all. That is 477. So approximately you got 30 points. Okay, approximately you got a 30 point. So that was your first trade. Okay, that was your first trade. Now the second trade. For the second trade, you should wait for the opportunity. Now you can just see that. For the second trade, the same logic, 50%. So what happened? The market came down. See, the market came down, but we can't take a trade. We are just waiting. Again, it went up. Again, it came down, making a Dow. Again, it went and touched that point. See, at the bottom. So now you know that again once it has reversed at this point, okay. So once you know that it is reversing at that point, so definitely it has already, it has already reversed at this point again. See, at the same point. So this bottom was acting as a very good support. This bottom was acting as a very good support. I'm not placing any indicator. Okay, just a simple, how to take a trade on my levels using CPR. So this was a support. So definitely you know that key already in the morning it has taken a support at that point. This was a point. So definitely this will act as a very good support and will go up. So here the entry point. Okay, here the entry point was at when you know that it's again touching that point and it's not going down. Okay, so here the entry point was at this candle. Here the entry point of here was at this candle. See, whenever it just broke that level, that was your entry point, and according to me, according to the CPR, your exit point was at this level. That is from only 2 or 3 candles. Yahan se yahan tak, that's all. I'm not saying that go for a big one. So 50%, that's all. The game is over at that point. So what happens is like over here. So we would have taken an entry at 12.5. 12.5 was your entry point. So let's see over here. So 12.5, what happened? So see, exactly around 12.5. 12.5, this candle we are talking about. So 12.5, this was a candle, right? So our entry was at 447 again, and our exit point. The exit point is very important. Over here, the exit point was around this candle, or 12.40. So 12.40, this candle was our exit point. You can see that this candle was our exit point. So 12.40. So 12.40, we just check it out. What's happening at 12.40? See, around 12.40, it moved up to this point, the red candle. So our exit point was at 478. So that was our exit point, 478. So definitely from here to here also, again you are taking the 30 points. Again you are getting the 30 points from this level to this level. Again you are getting 30 points. So in the morning first trade you got 30 points. Again in Nifty you are getting 30 points. That is your second trade. Now we'll watch out for the third trade. Are we getting a third trade on my levels? So you got 60 points indirectly in that scenario. And now you can see that what happened. The third trade, whether we should have taken or not. You know that after that, the market is not, see, the market was just, doing this thing. It was going in a sideway till this point. So when the market was going on hitting this point, okay, when the market was going on hitting that point, so definitely it was above the 50%. It was above the 50%. So that means today in the market, that 50% was playing a very important role. So it was above the 50%. So definitely, if it's a risky trade, so I don't tell that, go for a risky trade, 30-40 points is good. So it was a risky trade. But if you have taken a risk around this point, means you have entered at this point. If your entry was at 155, if your entry was at 155, you can see that what happened over here at 155. We'll just check it out. So entry was at around 155, around that point. 155. So this was your entry point. So maybe around, I will just take the higher point. So your entry point was at around 489. So definitely you know that our target is 50%. 50%. So next target kya hoga? R2. So that's the logic. So the next target was R2. So what you would have supposed to do, if you are very smart, you would have waited till R2, because see, it has touched R2 right now. So in this scenario, the target was from this level to this level. So that is from 50% of, this is our 50% of R1 and R2. Okay, so whenever this is a CPR logic, okay, so it's very easy, it's not a very difficult to say. So it was taking a very good support at this point at the bottom. So yahan se it would have just gone to that R2 at the end of the day. So I'm not telling that you can wait for that level. So maybe this was your exit point 50, yeah, beach mein somewhere. But it was just, the market was also very lazy at that time. So if you would have taken that trade, that is at 489. So your exit point would have been here somewhere, exactly touching that point. If you would have taken, that was the third trade. So third trade, if you would have taken entry, then it would be around, you can say that 92, maybe 40 point, 30 point, same 30 point. So the target overall, first target was 30 points. Second, you would have taken 30 points and 30 points. So indirectly, in today's market, maybe this is our target. 30 is what I tell normally. So 30, 30, 30. So these are the three targets which you would have taken. So that is a logic basically. Okay. So that is what happens in CPR logic. So that was for our Nifty. Now we'll just move on to Bank Nifty. What happened? So that was a CPR basic logic. How to take a trade on my levels. Okay. That's a basic logic. Now we'll move on to our Bank Nifty, baby. So now Bank Nifty. Okay. So Bank Nifty also you can just see that. Okay. Same logic. Here the different scenario was there. I'll tell you what happened. So here you know that I marked some, the morning lollipop zone. So this is our lollipop zone. This was our lollipop zone. Just see that. This is our lollipop zone. This was our lollipop zone in the market. As everybody knows that what is a lollipop zone, right? So this was our lollipop zone. So see what happened. The first trade, I don't think, it just came down. It just went up, then came down. So from here, you would have taken an entry over here, or else I will tell you what we can do. Our same logic, we have to mark 50%. Mark this 50% on the chart. So that is your 50%. The 50%, just mark it down. So the 50% was our target. Okay, so here the first entry was around this point. So it was very, very fast. You can't say that you can take any points over here. So in the morning, the entry was around this point. It was very risky in the morning. So your entry was at this point. This was your entry point. Okay, this was your entry point in the morning at this candle. That was around 9:55. So in the morning, this was your entry point, and the exit point was at this point. So it didn't touch that point. So when it reversed, I think SL would have gone, or else the first entry kya hoga, 30-20 points you would have taken. That's all. Because this was your exit point. Exit point is this upside. This was your exit point at the top, but it didn't went up that point. So maybe with our indicators, with the volume, you would have known कि वहाँ से reverse मार रहा है. So you can see 1 or 2 candles. अगर ऊपर भी गया, this was your one or तो अगर यहाँ से entry मारा होता था, the time was around 10 o'clock or morning में went up maybe 1 or 2 candles. So 30-40 points अगर मिल रहा है कि नहीं देखते हैं 2 candles. So in the morning the entry was at 10 o'clock in our level. So it was at 36,800. You can see that in Discord what I gave. This was the level I gave, 36,800 CE. It was a yesterday's level. So 36,800 CE, you can just see over here. The entry was around 10 o'clock in the morning. So 10 baje in the morning, around 10 o'clock. So it was very fast. So this was your entry, and definitely this was your exit point. That is around 1433 to upar gaya. So after that what happened? It just came down. So your SL gone. Here in the morning your SL gone. In my levels, in the morning your SL gone. This scenario. So minimal SL maybe around, you know how to put SL. So minimal SL because it just came down. So cost to cost you should have exited in the morning. That was the first part. But the clear entry in the market was at this point, because it just broke that level. It was just holding, nothing happened. It just came down. So in the morning, the first level for the entry, this was your entry point. This was your entry point. Sorry, this was your entry point because it has not broken the lollipop zone, the low of the candle, first day low of the candle. And at that time, the bulb came and there are a lot of volume at the bottom. Okay, slowly. The bulb also came exactly at that point. So 37,938, you would have taken an entry. Okay, that's the logic. But here I'm telling you the clear entry, how you would have taken. The clear entry was at this point. In this situation, the clear entry was at this point. That is this was your entry point according to me. So this was your entry point, and the R1 or the previous day high line was your exit point. This situation, the first entry over here. So here we got a stop loss hit, and the second entry was at this point. That was our entry was around 1205. Our entry was at 1205. 1205 was our entry. So this was your entry. So this was your entry point at around, exactly 1205. So you can see that 1347 was your entry point, and the exit point was very short because it just went up. So exit was at 1225. 1225 was your exit point. So 1225 in over here, 1225. So 1225, this is a candle. So what I'm telling you that the entry was at that point, that is 1747, and your exit point was at this point, that is 1415. So you're not getting 30-40 points. That's all. So in ITM you got only 30-40 points. That's all for the first target. The second target, if you look out, what happened? That was your first target. The second target, when you go out, when you want to just see where it's going to move. So second target entry, when it crossed that R1 and the previous day high line, so definitely you can take an entry. Definitely you can take an entry for the clear picture. So this was your entry point. This was your entry point. Okay. And the exit point is nothing. Your 50% of R1. R1 and R2. So this was your exit point. Okay. So now the entry was around this level. That was 135 was your entry. And exit you can say nearby this point. Exit point. that was around 230. So your entry was around 135. Entry was around 135. Your entry was at this point 135. Okay. And the exit point was at 230. Where is at 230? The candle went. This was your exit point. So over here you can just see that the entry was at around 14.3 of 1434 and your exit point was around 1523. So from here to here, okay, it traveled from around, this was a point, exit point. So you got 100 points in that. So this is a very high premiums ITMs. So over here definitely you can get 30-40 points very easily without any risk. But yeah, why I prefer ITM, the reason is because what happens in OTM, you can buy like maybe 200 lots or maybe 500 lots, it's up to you. But here buying like 2 or 3 lot also, you have 1 lot, buying a 1 lot also, definitely there is no issue, because anyways you are making a loss in the market. So 1 lot leke just try my levels, then you understand the decay will not happen. The candles are moving up and down also, the decay will not happen very fast. And if you know this logic, what I'm teaching you, how to take a trade on my levels, and if you are just very good in that, Nifty and Bank Nifty is a very simple explanation how to trade on my levels. And Death Warrant, yeah, in the morning it gave you 60 points. After that it's just in a running mode, and the surprise level is also going good. So that are the levels exactly which I give and how to trade. Okay, it's a very simple explanation. Go with the CPR. You have a backup. I have given you crossover. I have given you volume indicators are there. A lot of indicators are there which will support your fact whether you have to enter the trade or whether you have to exit the trade. So that's what my levels comes into the picture. So that's all for the days, guys. So just follow this properly and just trade on my logics about a simple CPR. Put daily CPR. Just mark out the lines what I taught you, and yes, I think you know how the CPR gives the prediction of the market, so you should know that where it's going to go. That's all, guys. See you tomorrow for the next level if it gives a profitable trade tomorrow. Take care. Bye, guys.